your handbrake, you want to strike space, you don't want to roll anywhere. Okay, so get to your biting point, get ready to go, but check first. Left, right, ahead. Okay? After it's clear, we can go. Now we're in the new road. Which mirror do we check?
This mirror and that mirror.
Well done. We always check our mirrors in pairs. What's the consequence of not checking our mirrors?
Somebody could be in a blind spot.
Right door mirror signal. Position. Speed, which is brake. Straps down into first. Look to see if it's clear. Well done. Where do we check now?
Okay, in the mirrors behind. Well done. Good.
So at the crossroads, we're going to go right. So right centre mirror, right door mirror signal on approach. Position. Touchdown. Get into first gear. Handbrake. Okay. So do our check. We're doing that first. Then look right, left, straight ahead, and then do it again.
Yeah, right, and then good. That's it. Good.
I'm not looking. I'm just glancing quickly.
You've got to make sure it's safe. So you've got, but you're doing the right thing. You're doing the right thing. Well done. That's really, really good. Okay. Right, we're going to have a quick look at that.